Code. Earth girl. Drop top. Bagger, my dog. Code. Make it this, make it that.
Mad them, blind them. I'm here to tell you guys, there's a video circulating of me doing a sum, okay? This was 2 years ago. I was dating a guy from America who's also from Jamaica as well. He's from America and Jamaica. He's a promoter in Jamaica called Gads and Gallus, okay? His real name is O'Shane Franklin. People know him as Shaney. He has been threatening me for the last 2 years to expose this video that he took a video of me in a vulnerable state with 2 other ladies, okay? Doing inappropriate stuff. Now, 1, I did not know I was being recorded. 2, I was absolutely out of it. 3, I had no control of my body. There was a point where I felt like I was spiked or I was given a substance or something, because the 2 girls that was in the video, they also was taking Molly the maid. Now, clearly
I look at you, you miss me. See him up at the top, I beat up, I look at you, over manly. Look at you, tell him, say, like a Friday gone to. Look at you, tell him, say, his father had done a Waltham and them will kill him. People them are send children and I tell him, say, them know which part in family live and everything. Got to school yesterday, I know them can't find him.
But you don't look good. Where you go? You go poor royal. What's a little pussy? Lower candy, lower candy. Candy, lower woman. Me John, yes, she John.